Welcome back to the channel. And today I wanted to get into a topic that affects, I think, all of us. And that would be the subject of divisiveness. And we see it in our culture. We see it in our church, especially the Catholic Church. We see it in politics. We see it in the United States. We see it in a lot of countries, right? This divisiveness. And it's real. And we have to remind ourselves, and maybe God is having me remind you at this very moment, that the source of this divisiveness is often the devil. The devil is the great divider, and he wants nothing more than to separate us from each other. We see that within families. Somehow it's okay to be estranged from a parent or a child. Most of us know somebody that is in that situation. I myself am not immune from that situation. And certainly the devil is wanting us to be separated from God. So the devil has an agenda, and it is to try to control our thinking and our thoughts and be manipulated by these forces, external forces around us. We see that in government. We see that especially in the media. And you have to look at the playbook. If you go back decades and centuries, one thing that corrupt governments and dictators recognize is that they can control the population if they can control the media. They can control the narrative and the messaging that people hear. And if they hear that messaging, good or bad, enough times, over and over and over, whether it's true or not, that becomes the truth. And often these are lies that become the truth. And how easy it is to succumb to that. It's manipulation, indoctrination, and I'm not coming from a standpoint of far left or far right. I'm coming at you straight down the middle here, because we see this in everything, in every issue, in every topic. There's always seems to be this left or right. And so I just am making this video for you today to help you be reminded to step back from all of that is coming at you. The media is relentless, right, in this information, good or bad. And take a deep breath and ask yourself, is this of God? Is this what God wants me to hear? Is this message that I'm hearing making me a better Christian? Is it making me a better Catholic? Is it drawing me closer to you, Jesus? And if the answer is no, then we have the ability and the power to push it away. And yeah, we might hear it. We can't not hear it oftentimes, but it's to be able to have that strength to push it out and stay focused and stay on track to what God is calling you to be, to think, and to be able to continue to love. Because a lot of this messaging out there is not of love. And we know that if it's not coming from that point of love, then it's probably not of God. Thanks for watching, and God bless.